of your guys' formulas on the board because you'll have a bunch of them coming up. We go basically back to geometry. This is Algebra 1 and Geometry, this chapter. So of means multiply, is means equals. Okay, if you remember that, these are easy. So it says, what percent of 70 is 14? So we multiply and we divide by 70, and x equals 14 divided by 70. Calculators, get them out because you'll need them today. It's 0.2, right? Yes. How do we change a decimal into percent? Multiply by 100. So it's 20% of 70. The next one, 20 is 25% of what? So you change your percent to a decimal when you put it into the equation. Of what? So then there's an x there. So divide by 0.25. So x equals 80. Okay. What number is 45% of 640? So in this one, you just multiply, not 60, 640. This time, you just multiply these two together straight where they are because their x is already on the other side. What's 45% of 640? 288. Okay. So then I'll do 3 more of these. 45 is what percent of 180? So then to get x alone, we divide by 180. What? 0.25. So it's 25%. 0.25 is 25%. 2 is what percent of 40? So we divide by 40. Oh, not 0.40, divide by a regular 40. X equals 0.05. So then it would be 5%. Okay. I can skip the next two. You got that. Ooh, you got that. Good enough. We're about right there. Okay. Now, looking at this, and it's in black and white on the board. It'll be in color on your computer screen. If it has been projected that in 2050 the city's population will be 87 million, the circle graph shows the breakdown of this total population by state. Use a figure to find the projected population for state A in 2050. You don't even need to circle graph. You use this number and this number. Okay? So if the total population is 87 million and this is 15.4%, you take 0.154 times 87 million. Okay? And then rounded to the nearest million. So take this times this. Somebody, calculator. $13.40. So it says round to the nearest million. So it'll just be straight 13 million. Okay? Net revenue from book sales is approximately 1,928 million. Online book sales account for 49% of this amount. What's the revenue from online book sales? 49% of this amount. Of means to multiply. So 0.49 times 1928. And if you do that, you get 900 and what? 944. Last one. To finance her college education, Sarah takes out a loan for $2,300. After years, she decides to pay off the interest, which is 7% of $2,300. Of means multiply. So 7%, don't take 0.7. That's what a mistake a lot of people make. It's 0.07 times 2,300. So if you take 0.7 times 2,300, you get 161. Okay, so 10 problems on this first section should take you probably 20 minutes to get done. Some of you will take less time than that. But at 10:15, we'll take a break and do the next one at 10:15.